This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Quick wood projects are not just about saving time in the workshop, they are about unlocking opportunity. In today's fast-moving market, buyers want handmade items that feel authentic, practical, and ready to use, and creators want projects that don't take weeks to complete before seeing a return. That's where quick wood projects become powerful. They allow you to turn leftover boards, simple tools, and focused creativity into items that sell quickly and consistently. Whether you are working from a small garage, a backyard shed, or a compact indoor workspace, fast builds give you momentum. Momentum builds confidence, confidence attracts buyers, and buyers create income. In this narration, we will explore how simple wood projects can be transformed into profitable products, how speed and quality work together rather than against each other, and how focusing on practical designs can help you build a steady stream of income without overwhelming your time or resources. This is not about rushing craftsmanship, it is about choosing smart designs that respect your time and reward your effort. Quick wood projects succeed because they meet real needs. When you focus on simple builds, you remove unnecessary complexity and allow the material itself to shine. Many profitable wood items are not complicated at all. They are functional, visually pleasing, and easy to understand at first glance. Buyers often fall in love with items they can immediately imagine using in their home. Speed in woodworking does not mean careless work. It means developing a rhythm and choosing repeatable designs. When you build the same project multiple times, each version becomes faster and cleaner. Measurements become instinctive, cuts become precise, and finishing becomes efficient. This repetition is where income grows. Instead of spending weeks on one complex piece, you can complete several smaller items in the same amount of time. Each finished product represents a chance to sell, and multiple chances dramatically increase your earning potential. Over time, these quick builds can outperform larger projects simply because of volume and consistency. Another advantage of quick wood projects is material efficiency. Many profitable builds can be made from offcuts, reclaimed boards, or low-cost lumber. This reduces your expenses and increases your profit margin. When buyers pay for craftsmanship and design rather than raw material weight, you benefit. Small decorative items, organizers, and utility pieces often sell at prices that far exceed their material cost. This is where woodworking becomes a smart business decision rather than just a hobby. You are not selling wood, you are selling usefulness, style, and the feeling of owning something handmade. The beauty of simple wood projects lies in their adaptability. A basic design can be adjusted slightly to create multiple product variations. A small wooden tray can become a coffee table accent, a desk organizer, or a bathroom accessory with only minor changes in size or finish. These variations allow you to appeal to different buyers without reinventing your workflow. From a business perspective, this is extremely powerful. You maintain speed while expanding your product range. Buyers feel they have options, and you benefit from increased exposure and repeat customers. Quick builds also make pricing easier. When production time is predictable, you can confidently set prices that reflect both your effort and the market value. There is less guesswork and less risk. You know how long a project takes, how much material it uses, and how much profit it generates. This clarity allows you to scale your work. Scaling does not always mean hiring help or expanding space, sometimes it simply means producing more of what already works. Quick wood projects give you that flexibility. Finishing plays a major role in turning simple builds into income. A clean finish elevates even the most basic design. Smooth edges, balanced proportions, and thoughtful color choices can transform a small wooden object into something buyers are proud to display. When a project looks polished, it feels valuable. Buyers often associate neat finishing with professionalism and trust. This trust leads to faster sales and positive feedback, which in turn increases demand. In this way, speed and quality reinforce each other rather than compete. Another important factor is storytelling. Even quick projects have stories. They can be marketed as space-saving solutions, minimalist decor, eco-friendly choices, or thoughtful handmade gifts. When you present your work with intention, buyers connect emotionally. They don't just see an object, they see how it fits into their lifestyle. This emotional connection often matters more than size or complexity. A small wooden item with a clear purpose and a strong story can outsell a large piece that feels generic. Quick wood projects also allow for rapid learning. Each build teaches you something new about tools, finishes, proportions, and customer preferences. Because the projects are short, feedback loops are fast. You can test ideas, observe buyer reactions, and refine your designs without waiting months for results. This learning process makes you more efficient and more confident. Over time, you develop an instinct for what sells and why. That instinct is one of the most valuable assets a craftsperson can have. From a practical standpoint, fast projects fit easily into daily life. You don't need long, uninterrupted hours to make progress. Even short sessions can result in completed items. This makes woodworking accessible and sustainable, especially if you are balancing other responsibilities. When a project can be started and finished quickly, motivation stays high. Completed work brings satisfaction, and satisfaction fuels consistency. Consistency is what transforms occasional sales into reliable income. Market demand also favors quick projects. Many buyers are looking for affordable handmade items rather than expensive custom furniture. Smaller pieces feel less risky to purchase and easier to gift. This creates a larger audience and more frequent sales opportunities. When your pricing aligns with this demand, turnover increases. Fast turnover means steady cash flow, which is essential for growing any creative business. As your collection of quick projects grows, so does your brand identity. Buyers begin to recognize your style, your finishes, and your attention to detail. Quick wood projects prove that you don't need complexity to create value. With thoughtful design, efficient workflow, and attention to finishing, simple builds can generate fast income and long-term growth. Every small project you complete sharpens your skills, strengthens your confidence, and brings you closer to a sustainable creative life built around craftsmanship. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.